Hey y'all, so we are out in the garage, and listen, this is what happens when you got too much going on. I got my dirt in the bucket. I got to get this cleaned up, but this is real life over here, okay? Real life. And it's chaotic right now, but I'm gonna get it together. But I wanted to show y'all I am still seeding, even though I just bought this dog food. I don't know why my husband put it in there, but I wanted to show y'all here that I'm still actually growing in my grow tent. So right now in my grow tent, I have these are cucumbers. So I plan to pickle my cucumbers and make them, of course, pickles. That's why I'm growing so much dill this year. These are chives. Now, I don't have any more chives. Once these chives are gone, that's it. This is my second time trying to plant chives, and they did not come up. So I'm going to go ahead and I do need to water because you can see it's dry, a little dry, but I'm going to water again and see what happens. But they didn't do anything. This is some beans. So let me get in here because I can see my beans not doing right. Y'all can see here where they popping up on me instead of staying down. So I'm just going to put that back down. Let me get in here real quick, y'all. I'm glad I came out here. I would have been so mad. So what I did was I planted out some green beans. Hold on one second, y'all. Okay, so this is another one. So what I did was I planted out my green beans, and I planted six cell trays. So in 2 weeks, I plant out these 6 cell trays. And for these are Blue Lake that I planted out yesterday. And in 2 weeks, I will plant out another 6 cell tray of green beans. I also planted out yesterday some okra. So I do not eat okra, but my husband and my sisters love okra. So I planted out 2 types of okra. I planted out jambalaya okra, and each bucket has 4 okras. And then I planted out Jing orange okra. And again, each bucket has 4 okras. And then here I planted some, what is this? Mini me cucumbers. So these are more cucumbers, hopefully. But these are more for eating in salads and stuff throughout the summer, to have fresh cucumbers instead of trying to go to the store to buy cucumbers. These are you can eat cucumbers as a snack with tomatoes, and just on a salad with carrots. I will eat a salad of just red onion, cucumber, and tomato. Love it. So that's what that's for. Yeah, I went to Sam's Club, and I did get another water hose because, of course, our water hose suck. It busted, but this one has a film on it, so I'm hoping that film helps it and keeps it from busting. Okay, so out here we have my cherry bush that we have. I have my oregano that I put out here in the front yard or the front porch, and then I have my last little bit of ginger that I put out here in the shade. So I hope that helps, and I'll see y'all in the next video.